going to be working with the Konnector. So the Konnector is an attachment that you can put on any of the balanced body reformers that have a wood kind of upright. It is an attachment where you can have either two straps that work in a pulley system independently or 4 straps. So I have all 4 straps on. There are a lot of different ways you can set this up and use it, and we're going to do a few things with the Konnector today that I think are quite fun. So this is a very old reformer. This is actually older. It was a balanced body reformer, but it's from when they were called current concepts, so it's very old. I have it on short bar and 1.5 springs, or 1 red and 1 blue. So 1 heavy, 1 light. We're just gonna lie down, and you're gonna take the top straps, which are gonna be the black little straps, and you're gonna put 1 long loop around the back of your thigh, and then you're gonna take the other long loop and put it around the back of your thigh. Now we're gonna do some footwork, so just bring your arms down by your sides with your feet flexed, and you can have them a little bit apart. You'll take your breath in, try and stay in neutral the whole time, and as you exhale, you're gonna reach out. The straps will go a little slack and you'll press into the foot bar. Then you're gonna bend your knees and pick them back up and bring them right back over your hips. And again, exhale, press out and reach and bend it in and lift. Good. And reach and in and lift. So this really helps get the glutes and hamstrings firing up and helps with the stability in your abs when you pick those legs out. Up. This is 6. And bend and lift. Press it out. Inhale as you come in. And 8. Inhale, lift it up. And 9. Press it out. In and lift. Last time, 10. Press it out. In and lift. Good. Okay, we're going to open our legs a little bit, and we'll go with a little bit of internal external rotation. So you're going to press out, put your heels on the bar, and then turn out, bend it in. You're going to lift your legs up, turned out, and then come back to parallel. Press out and reach. Turn it out, bend, lift it up, and bring it forward. Again, out and reach. Turn it out. Lift the legs up and turn out and bring it forward. One more this way. Press it out and reach. Turn it out. Bend it in. Lift it up and bring it in. Now you're going to reverse. Turn out and then press it out. Turn it in. Bend and lift it up. Turn out. And press it out, turn it in, and bring it up. And again, turn out, press it out, turn it in, and lift it up. Let's do 2 more. Lateral rotation, and then come back into parallel as you bring it in. And 1 more. Lateral rotation, and back into parallel as you bring it in. All right. We're going to adjust if you need to, and then we're going to go into some marches. So you're going to press out into one heel and lift the other heel up, and then you're going to change. You're going to press out and lift. Good. So right heel down, left leg lifts, and then you change. Left heel down, right leg lifts. Good. This is your 3rd round. And bring it in, press and lift, and bring it in. 4th round, and bring it in. I'm starting to get warmed up here a little bit. And 1 more set, 5th round, and bring it in. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, let's take our straps off our thighs now, and we're gonna just bring them back down. And you can put the short loops or the long loops on the silver posts in the back. I've been keeping them on the long loops, but either way works. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is a little bit of posture series or carriage arms, both bi and unilaterally. So we're gonna change down to a half spring or to a blue spring, whichever one you prefer. You can also do it heavier. You can do it on one spring, 1.5 or 2. I like to go light with the Konnector because it can get a little exciting. So lie back down. Now we're gonna take our loops again, and you can do short loops or long loops. I'm gonna do short loops, and you wanna be shimmied down away from your shoulder rest about 2 inches or so. Then you're gonna go into imprint and bring your legs up, and go ahead and bring your arms down. So first thing we're just gonna do is our shoulder shrugs. So your shoulders come up by the ears towards the shoulder rest, and then breathe out down to the hips. And again, inhale, shrug up, and exhale down. Inhale, shrug up, and exhale down. Again. One more. Now, you're gonna do a little bit of shoulder shimmy. So right shoulder up and left shoulder down, and then left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Again, try and keep your ribs still so they don't shimmy side to side. This is 3. Right up, left down, left up, right down, and 4. Right up, left down, left up, right down, and 5. Right up, left down, left up, right down. Come back center. Now we're gonna bend the elbows and straighten. 5. Inhale, exhale as you reach. 4. I like to keep my elbows hovered off the carriage. 3, to make sure we're using our triceps and not pressing into our pecs. 2, or our deltoids. Last time. 1. Now you're gonna bend one elbow and keep the other one straight with your ribs nice and quiet. 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 2. Make sure your wrists are flat and your elbows get all the way straight. 4, 4, 1 more, 5, and 5. Excellent. Okay, straight arms down. Bring them up, and bring them down. And inhale up, and exhale down. And inhale up, and exhale down. 2 more. 1 more. Bring them up and bring them down. Here we go. One arm up, the other arm down, and we pass in the night. 3, and a 3, and a 4, and a 4. Last set, please. 5, and 5. Fantastic. Okay, go ahead and bring the carriage back in, and then you're gonna put the straps on your silver posts.